everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and deciding to watch today. I'm really happy that you can join me, and I hope you enjoy what I am showing you today. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate each and every view and everything that you do to help me grow my channel, and thank you so very much. So today I have a little, just a little kind of an upcycle video for you today. I am going to show you how to turn an old shutter. I had two, the other one's a little bit bigger than this, the one that I actually used for this project, and this one, and they are the types of shutters that have the bar down the middle because they're supposed to open and close. And I literally found these on the side of the road years ago. They have been painted. I think this will be the fourth time, and I have used them for various different pieces of decor and for backgrounds for other decor pieces, for many different things. There's no limit to what you can do with an old shutter. So let's get into the video and I'll show you what I created with the shutter that I found on the side of the road. Okay, to do what I want to do with this shutter, now I've taken it and dusted it off and everything. It has been painted numerous times and used for a few different things. So this is the back of this shutter. I am going to take this chalk paint, and it's from it's the folk art from Home Decor, and it is in Cascade. So this is the chalk paint. I'm going to give it a good shake. I want to get the stuff that's settled to the bottom of this. I want to give that a good shake up because I haven't had this open for a long time. I don't even know if I've had this one open yet. I haven't. This is a brand new bottle. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to love this color. It's really thick. This is really, look how thick this is. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to add a little water to this. Just use my bottle. I'm going to give it a few little shakes or a few little sprays. Put the lid back on and give this a good shake up. That seems to be a little bit better. Let's see if I can even pour it out of the bottle. I couldn't even pour it out of the bottle the last time. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's starting to dry up, this paint. Wow. So, I don't want a really densely opaque finish. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? Finish on this. So I'm just going to give this a really quick coat of paint. So I'm having a little trouble with this paint. I'm going to stick this skewer right down into the bottom of this. Look at how thick it is. That's just not good. Still a little bit too thick. So I'll probably only put one coat on here. I might put two. It depends. But yeah, but this is getting paint it. So I'll be back when I have this. I'll let you know whether it's 1 or 2 coats, but I'll be back when I have this painted the way that I want it painted. So the second part of this, I am going to use these. I am going to use these cotton stems. I just took them out of the packaging, so I'm going to put these back on, the ones that fell off. So I have a couple here. There, that's better. So I have 4 of these stems left on hand. So I'm going to use, I'll probably just use a couple. I won't need all 4. So I'm going to set those over there. And I also had this this was a fairly big roll of burlap, but it's backed burlap. And to make this piece, I would only have to cut 1 piece to go down the front if I hot glued it on the back on both ends. But because all of this stuff that I'm using is probably going to be recycled at one point or another for another project, because that's the thriftiest way to do it, then this is what I'm going to do instead. So I'm going to take 2 of these stems and lay them on here like this, and then I am going to take, I just want to find out where I want to tie them, so probably about here. So I'm going to keep my finger there. I'm going to take this jute. It's just a chunk that's left over from the nautical rope. I think it's the nautical rope. It might not be, but I think it's the nautical rope. And I'm going to slide it maybe right underneath this bar. Let me see if I put a little bit, just a little bit of hot glue on the end of this, and then twist it up. Let's twist that around. I got more on my finger than I did on here, but it'll still work, I think. And I am going to slide this. The paint has dried now, and this isn't as floppy as it was. So, I am going to slide this under there. Just like this. Whatever I have to do to get it under. Whatever I have to do to get it under there. There. See if I can get it out the other side. There. So I want that under there like that. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it burlap side down. Then I'm going to flip this. Now you could do something similar to this with a shutter. And if it's not one of the ones that opens and closes, you could just do it any way you wanted to. Just put this on the front and hot glue these on if you want to. So I've got some nice overlap here. And I am going to hot glue this. I just need one of these to come out of here. Hot glue. There. And that's a little bit hot. So there, put that down nicely. So that when I turn this over, like that, this way it will lay flat against the wall. Because for me, I have this is where the bar is. If I put this on the other side, it's going to rock back and forth like this when it's against the wall, and I don't want it to do that. So I'm going to take, so all of this can come off now. The only part of the burlap that I'm going to not be able to reuse will probably be the piece that's hot glued. I'm going to put both of these, one here and one here, just like that. Maybe I need 3 of them. I think I need 3. Yes, I need 3. So that one, and this one. So I'm going to put them right here. And then I am going to take this, even it out a little bit more, so I have more on that side. And then I am going to tie this. So I have that. Now I want this to be more gathered, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pinch that up to there. I'm going to fold that under, pinch it up to there, and then I'm going to tie this right here like this. And then all I have left to do, here now, I don't need this much. And like I said, I don't like wasting stuff. So I'm going to pull this back through here a little bit further, like that, and then tie it again. There, nice and tight, make that snug, and there, I want this to hang down a little bit, like this. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess. Like that. There, so that's what I have. That's my project. So simple. Other than painting the shutter, this part here is like, it took me, what, 4 minutes, a piece of jute ribbon or burlap ribbon, and some jute twine, and some of these cotton picks. But you could replace the cotton stems or picks or whatever they are. You could replace these with your favorite florals, with some fall leaves. Like, you know how you can get the picks of fall leaves? Put some fall leaves in here. So right now, this can be changed out for each or any season. This is what I have on hand, so it's what I chose to use. Right now with the COVID-19 social distancing, that's the requirement. Use what we have at home. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share if you know anybody that wants a little bit of inspiration or has something like this laying around their house and is wondering what to do with it. And by all means, don't forget to subscribe. So bye-bye for now, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and be safe.